I'm videoing it.
Come on, you get it going, I'll do a move. Are you doing a movie? Hang on, let me get a movie, hang on. Video. That's it. Tell me when you're going. It must be ready now, go on.
There we go. Slowly. There we go.
You get to speed up now. Ready to store.
It's harder than driving a car, this. That's made it a bit of the way up the hill. There we go. Should we send it backwards?
It's dead now, come on.
Should we send it in reverse?
Yeah, see if we can get this. Flame's coming up under the boiler.
There we go.
No driver. I can't get a photograph of you. Big tin road.
Sorry for having feet.
I think what it is, it's got some doings underneath.
Cack.
Eh?
Rubbish.
It's got rubbish underneath and it's like a brake, isn't it?
You can buy rubber wheels from instead of the metal ones. I think you need
It's got to be a proper flat surface.
Hang on a sec. No, it's still got fuel.
Move forward again up that hill.
Forward?